Hello friend, today we are going to discuss about AWS CloudTrail. What is AWS CloudTrail and how does it work? In this video we will cover all these things. So if you are new on our channel, so please subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon to get more update first. So let's begin. What is today's agenda? What is CloudTrail? How does CloudTrail work? What is benefit of CloudTrail? How to create CloudTrail log? What is CloudTrail? What is CloudTrail? AWS CloudTrail is a service that enables governance, compliance, operational auditing, and risk auditing of your AWS account. With CloudTrail, you can log, continuously monitor, and retain account activity related to action across your AWS infrastructure. CloudTrail provide event history of your AWS account activity, including action taken through the AWS Management Console, AWS SDK, command line tools, and other AWS services. The event history simplifies security analysis, resource change tracking, and troubleshooting. In addition, you can use CloudTrail to detect unusual activity in your AWS account. These capabilities help simplify operational analysis and troubleshooting. How does CloudTrail work? CloudTrail track your activity and detect unusual API uses. First of all, it is tracked your activity and detect unusual activities. After that, it capture record activity in AWS services as AWS CloudTrail event. After that, it capture all the record and activity in your AWS service which done by yourself. In that case, it generate the event of CloudTrail. After that, it store in the AWS S3 bucket, CloudWatch, and optional CloudTrail console. AWS CloudTrail delivers event to the AWS CloudTrail console, Amazon S3 bucket, optionally Amazon CloudWatch log. After that, act. Use Amazon CloudWatch alarm and events to take action when important events are detected. Review. View recent event in the AWS CloudTrail console or analyze log files with Amazon Athena. After that, it follows the compliance auditing, operational troubleshooting, security analysis, and automatic compliance remediation. So in these things, all the CloudTrail work process. So if you want to know deeply that how does CloudTrail work, so you can read this scenario and it will directly you will get on the portal that these things will be happen when you configure, when you check, when you monitor on your AWS console management. So let's move on. What is benefit of CloudTrail? CloudTrail provide the user with several benefits and they are simplified compliance. With AWS CloudTrail, simplify your compliance audits by automatically recording and storing event logs for action made within your AWS account. Integration with AWS CloudWatch log provide a convenient way to search through log data, identify out of compliance event, accelerate incident investigations, and expedite response to auditor request. Visibility into user and resource activity. AWS CloudTrail increase visibility into your user and resource activity by recording AWS Management Console action and API calls. You can identify which users and account call AWS, the source IP address from which the call were made, and when the call were occurred. Security analysis and troubleshooting. With AWS CloudTrail, you can discover and troubleshoot security and optional issue by capturing a comprehensive history of changes that occurred in your AWS account within a specified period of time. Security automation. AWS CloudTrail allow you track and automatically respond to account activity, treating the security of your AWS resources. With Amazon CloudWatch event integration, you can define workflow that execute when event that can result in security are detected. For example, you can create a workflow to add specified policy to an Amazon S3 bucket when the CloudTrail log an API call that makes that bucket public. How to create CloudTrail log? First of all, we will have to log in on AWS portal. So we will go and log in on AWS portal, and after that we will go on the service which is come on top side of AWS logo, and after that we will click CloudTrail which come under the management and governance. After the clicking on CloudTrail, we will get another dashboard. If we will come on the dashboard of CloudTrail, we will have to click here trails. We will have to click here as a create trail. After the clicking create trail, we will get another dashboard, or you can say that another dialog box in which we have to fill the some basic information by which we can create a cloud trail. What we have to fill? We will have to fill here trail name, apply trail to all region, yes or no. Whatever we want to do, we will have to check mark on that. Here are some management event, read and write event, log AWS KMS events, insight events, log insight events, yes or no. Data event, do we have to keep our data on S3 or Lambda? So we can use S3 to create a new bucket. So we can check mark on a create a new bucket, yes or no. If you have to create a new bucket, so we will have to check mark on yes, and we'll put have to here name of the bucket. And after that, if you want to give the tag, so you can click on add tag, and after that tag you can put the tag and value. And after the filling all this information, we will have to click here on the create. Let's do on practical, so our concept will be clear. How can we do? Just go on our AWS console management. We have login on our AWS console management. We have to click here services. I have clicked here services. After the clicking on services, we will have to go in the CloudTrail which comes under the management and governance. So we will have to click here CloudTrails. After the clicking CloudTrail, and the dashboard will be open. It will look like this. You have to click here trails and create trails. Okay, after the clicking on create trail, we will have to fill here as a demo. Okay, apply trail to all regions. Yeah, it should be by default as per recommend by the AWS. Management events, read and write events, all whatever you want to set. If you want to give only read only, write only, none, so you can check all. We want to give here all as it is. Log AWS KMS event, yes. Insight event, log insight event, yes or no. We will keep here as it is. What is the recommend by the AWS management? We'll have to select here S3 or Lambda. So we will keep as it is by default S3, and we want to create any bucket, so we will have to check mark on yes, and we'll put have any name of the S3 bucket. If you have already created S3 bucket, so you can click here add S3 bucket, and after that you will have to select that bucket, and that will be give read and write option. If you want to put any advanced settings, so we'll have to click here, and after the clicking you will have to fill location, yes, no encryption. Do you need a encryption? So put yes or no, whatever you want to do. You can check mark on that. Enable log file validation. Yes, no, SNS notification, even log, whatever you want to do, you can check mark. We will keep as it is by default. And after that, if you want to create a tags, so you have to click here add tag and put the key and value. You will have to click here on create. Trails has been created on your portal. I hope this video is helpful for you. So please like our video and subscribe our channel. And you can support us on Patreon. We are on the Patreon. I would request to you all, please support us on Patreon, that we are alive in this field and we make a more video for you. Thanks for watching.